Ministry of Health. Now, a three-judge bench is today expected to give directions in a petition challenging the role of the Judicial Service Commission in disciplinary proceedings against Supreme Court judges. Now, the case stems from petitions filed by several parties seeking the removal of the judges by the JSC. Among the petitioners are lawyer Nelson Harvey, former Cabinet Secretary Raphael Tuju, and several lawyers linked to the law firm run by Senior Counsel Ahmed Nasir Abdullahi, which has been barred from appearing before the Apex Court.
Could recuse themselves because they were appointed by a JSC that the Chief Justice was part of. If that, my lord, it was the case, then JSC would have won all cases in courts. At my lord, in my 2 years, the JSC has lost 5 petitions. So my lord, it cannot be a ground that just because the CJ participated, then this bench it will be biased. And also, my lord, judges take an oath of office and uphold the duty to serve, my lord. And if this bench, my lord, it will consider other extraneous facts, then there is a limit for that. People can go to the JSC or they can appeal. But it cannot be that judges should just recuse themselves on that basis alone. On the Gachagua decision, my lord, it is a position that it does not support the position taken by Minister Harvey. First, my lord, the first finding of that decision was that it is only the Chief Justice who can empanel a bench. That was the finding of the court. Then the court proceeds to hold that there might be considerations when that Chief Justice is not available. But here the Chief Justice is available. And Article 165, sub-Article 4, my lord, it rests that function singularly on the Chief Justice. At my lord, the application before you, my lord, it can be described in these words of, when growing up, there was this novel by Lewis Carroll. It's called the Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. My lord, at one position, the character Alice is confused because she thinks it is a very surprising moment. Then she forgets the command of good English and she says, "Curiouser and curiouser." My lord, the Oxford Dictionary of saying he defines here.
The matter continues at the courts.